Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to assign design parameters to the length of the cantilever beam, and observe the impact of changes in length, on the total deformation of the beam. Open Space Claim Design Modeler. You can see the progress here. End current sketch. Create a new sketch on XY plane. Select rectangle. Define rectangle from center. Provide dimensions and press enter. Close active sketch. Select surface and pull. Set initial beam length. Convert this dimension as a parameter. You can see here that parameter is added. You can rename and check its properties here. Now double-click on this cell to open mechanical window. You can see the progress. Define mesh parameters. Select body and define element size. Generate mesh. Select face and define fixed support. Define gravity in negative y direction. Problem setup is ready. Next step is to set a deformation parameter. Cantilever length is input parameter and deformation is output parameter. You can see both parameters here. Now add different lengths. You can mark this cell if you want to store its solution results. Select all rows and update all rows to get the deformation results. You can see the updates. We got first result set. Second. Third. Fourth result set. Select this row and make it active. You can see the updated values based on active design point 2. You can save this table in the form of CSV by these steps. Let's check the CSV file. You can use this table to make charts and further investigations. Now let's check nodal results. See progress. Click on total deformation result. 0 deformation at fixed boundary conditions. You can set enlarge deformation view by scaling factor. Let's check stress. Thank you. Subscribe this channel for more tutorials.